So tonight before we head out to the field, I'm just gonna make some quick supper. I just fried up a couple peppers, onions, and some garlic from my garden. Just gonna warm up some leftover pork and make some pork fajitas. Do you want to go see Daddy in the field?
Yeah.
Then you gotta eat your supper, okay? And then we go see Daddy in the field? Good idea? Okay, so what we're gonna do, made some pork fajitas with my leftover pulled pork. We're just gonna wrap these babies up in tin foil. I got some salsa and sour cream, and we'll head out and feed Dad. Claire, you know what's exciting about going to see Daddy at this field? Say he's really, really close to us. He's only 2 miles away, right?
1, 2.
Yeah, 2 miles away, nice and close. We'll be right there.
Let me see.
Say, see you soon, Daddy.
See you soon, Dandy.
Is that a bunch of corn?
Yeah.
Whose corn is it? Is it Daddy's? I think it's Papa's corn. Claire, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What?
Are you picking Papa's corn?
Yeah. And break them.
Yeah, you break them.
What are you doing, Clara?
Iron.
You're fireman?
What are we in?
Yeah.
What are you driving?
That's tractor.
Daddy's tractor. Good job, sweetie. What are you farming? What is Papa combining?
What are we combining today? What is that?
Corn.
Good job.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a farmer when you get older?
Yes. Cheese.
What about you, Elena? Are you gonna be a farmer when you get older?
A, B, C, D, E, F.
E-O-T, H-R-J-K, L-M-N-O-P, Q-R-S, T-U-V, W-X, Y-N-T. Now I know my ABC. Next I won't keep singing. Oh, cheese.